Hi Siddhant, please introduce yourself.
I'm Siddhant Manoj, and I am a full stack developer and a final year student. And I'm mostly using Java and Spring Boot to do my full stack development journey. And I hope that my skills are a perfect match for your company.
Okay, perfect. Let's get started. What are your major skills? Like, as you said, you work on Java mostly. So, can you tell about the platform independence of Java?
So the great thing about platform of Java is that it is compile once, run everywhere. What this means is that Java converts its the source code into bytecode, and this bytecode can be run on any machine independent of the operating system or the hardware. Hence, Java allows you to write a program which is compatible across all operating systems and machines.
Okay, so can you tell me what is inheritance?
Okay, inheritance is the property of a class, of a Java class, to be able to use the methods and variables of another class by using the extends keyword. This allows
Okay,
for addition and extension of functionality, where you can have a parent class and a child class, where the child extends parent classes so that it can have all the functionality of the parent as well.
can we use multiple inheritance in Java?
Multiple inheritance cannot be used in Java, and this was done as a step to avoid ambiguity.
Okay, so do you have any idea about how we could possibly achieve multiple inheritances?
So while we cannot extend multiple classes, what we can do is have multiple interfaces. So what you can do is you can have, let's say we have any class and we have multiple interfaces. It is a similar pattern, but instead you can do implements A, comma B, comma C. So all the methods from each of these will be available, and that is one way you could do it. If you are insistent on using multiple inheritance, what you could do is use a programming language like C++.
Okay, and can you tell me about encapsulation in Java?
So encapsulation in Java is the process of basically putting. Um, एक second, huh? Basically it's the process of wrapping all of your methods and variables in units called classes. What it allows us to also do is something like data hiding and security. So what you can do is rather than directly accessing variables, you instead have them as private, and you use methods inside the class to access them. As such, all of your methods and variables are part of a class itself rather than just being independent.
Okay, and one last thing, can you tell me about polymorphism?
Polymorphism, there are basically two types. There is compile time polymorphism and there is runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism, it refers to the fact when you have multiple methods, but having different signatures. So for example, we could have area int a comma int b. So, and the order of execution for compile time polymorphism is decided during compile time itself, like the name suggests. Runtime polymorphism, on the other hand, it works across classes. So, let's say we have the same method with the same signature in both a child class as well as a parent class. There is something known as dynamic method something, which dictates whether the parent class will run or the child class. That is known as runtime polymorphism.
Okay, sounds great. I will let you know about the further steps.
Okay, thank you, sir.